We have the integral of the natural log of x squared. Now, there may be multiple ways to tackle this problem, but the first thing that I want to do, just to clean this up for myself, is I want to pull this squared out front using log properties. So I'll do 2 times the integral of the natural log of x dx. And now the natural log integral is a fairly straightforward integration by parts integration that many professors actually have students memorize the result to. But if you haven't had the chance to memorize it just yet, I'll go through the entire integration now. To notice that this is integration by parts, you have to recognize that this is 1 times the natural logarithm. And so the first thing we do is we let u equal ln x, because we can easily differentiate that to get the derivative of u, which is 1 over x. We'll then set dv as 1, and then integrating to v with respect to x gives us x. With integration by parts, we go across the top first and then down and over. So what we really have is 2 times x ln x minus the integral. We have x here over x, which is just 1 times dx. And then we just need to solve this really standard integral. So what we're left with now is 2 times x ln x minus the integral of 1 with respect to x is just x. And we're dealing with indefinite integrals here. There's no bounds, so we have to remember to add the constant at the end. So just to finish this off, we've got 2x ln x minus 2x plus c. And that is the result of the integral of the natural log of x squared. If you have any questions, or if you have any other calculus or physics problems you want me to tackle, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you found this helpful.